Welcome to 20 Car. Step into the realm of the extraordinary with the 2025 Ford GT Concept, a supercar that defies convention. With its sleek, wind-carved silhouette, this marvel of engineering embodies both raw power and refined elegance. The aerodynamic shape, accentuated by dramatic air intakes and a low-slung stance, turns heads and cuts through the air with effortless grace. Its aggressive front grille and uniquely shaped LED lights frame a visage that looks ready to conquer the future. Inside, the cabin feels like stepping into a high-tech command center. The dashboard is a masterpiece of innovation, blending tactile materials like carbon fiber with a cutting-edge digital interface. A curved OLED display wraps around the driver, seamlessly integrating navigation, performance stats, and infotainment. The bespoke leather bucket seats hug you tightly, ensuring comfort even when the car pushes its limits. Beneath the hood, a beast roars, a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that delivers an exhilarating 750 horsepower. This powerhouse catapults the car from 0 to 100 kilometers height in a blistering 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest machines in its class. Rivals like the McLaren Artura and Ferrari SF90 Stradale pale in comparison to its futuristic charm. Priced at $550,000, the Ford GT Concept comes with high ownership costs, including advanced maintenance and premium insurance. However, its exceptional durability and timeless appeal ensure lower depreciation over time. Behind the wheel, every moment feels like a symphony of precision, control, and adrenaline. Advantages: superior aerodynamics, unparalleled speed, innovative tech. Disadvantages: high price tag, limited practicality.